Take action or be silent if the stock market crashes. Many investors wanted to know what they should do to their portfolio if the market is on the way to crash. It's time again to enjoy another edition of my videos. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you a subscriber? Please do so now. There are many more on this topic just for you to enjoy. You can also watch related videos like Greatest Investors Advice. This is only one of many more. I promise you the videos are full of benefits for you. Now it's time to begin. Let's discuss the investment. Is investing challenging to understand? If you look at it in detail, investment is not crucial to understand. All you need is the right mindset and determination to learn. If you want to achieve success, you go all in to get it. Investing isn't difficult to comprehend, but you need to stick to the rule of not investing in the stock market that you don't have knowledge of. So don't invest to a stock, to a company that you don't have knowledge of. So to take your time to understand a stock before investing. Check out those who are successful. They have a talent. And they also have the zeal to pursue success. The best things to do is to set your goals, set a deadline for them, work on your mindset, develop your skill set, and most importantly, be ready to take action. Action takers are success achievers. If a particular thing looks challenging to you, give it your time. Look into it deeply. Whatever is giving you a headache, give it your focus. There is a solution hanging around for you. All you need to do is search for it. This is me telling you that investment is not as challenging as it looks. All you need is to give it a time and a good attention. When you invest, it means you are putting your money into something with the hope that there will be a return for you much more than what you put into it. Your investment is time and money. Don't forget that. Investments is easy to understand, and you can take out of your money and grow it. You can invest in stocks, property, funds and shares. You can create more wealth for yourself by investing your money into something profitable. If you are not an investor, you are missing out on great opportunities for financial freedom. You can bring something out of nothing. Check out those investors who are successful. They are achievers because they understand each step they take. What they do is they keep updating themselves about the activities of the market. They never stop growing on what they already know. If you want to invest in a company, do your market research intensively. Know the position of the company on the stock market. Do not go about investing randomly. You must also be aware of the current market trend. Please do not wait till you make mistakes before you learn from them. You can learn from the mistakes of other investors. If you want to be a successful investor, you need to know how to take a calculated risk. Do not put your emotions in the way. It can lead you to make costly mistakes. Even if things are not going exactly right, do not panic. Do not take actions without proper planning. As an investor, you need to build a knowledge base for yourself. And if you own a stock, you can start by studying the company's annual report. Follow it up by checking the quarterly financial report. Learn everything in details you can about the company you intend to invest in. Check out those who are analysis. They do their fundings by critically studying the market. It is not just enough to go ahead and own a share in a particular company. Ask yourself questions like, is the investment going to worth it? The only possible way for you to know if a company is worth your investment is by checking their earning growth. Look into their debt to equity ratio and price to earnings ratio. There is no fun in wasting time and energy on unproductive activities. Know if the investment is worth your time and energy. There is a joy in making significant investments. There is no substitute for hard work. Let's briefly discuss what happened on back in September too. For some investors to be so comfortable with the happening, they study their investments well. This is me telling you that there is no replacement for hard work. It would be best if you took things step by step. What you don't know is that a company's stock price reflects the earning power of an investor. It is the company's stock price that will tell you how much you are likely to earn in the future. Learn to do what is right at all times. There is something called volatility in the stock market. The higher the volatility, the riskier the market security. When the stock market rises and falls more than 1% over a sustained period of time, it is called a volatile market. During this particular time, there is no call for panic. Do not decide in haste. No one has ever become successful by being nervous. Search for answers to your worries. Calm your nerves. The right thing to do when things are not going the way you want is to relax and think straight. What to do when there is a market crash? When there is a market crash, do not take action. Resist the urge to sell your stocks. Even if you eventually sell it, ensure you buy another stock. For long-term investors, when a market crash occurs, it is an excellent opportunity to buy more stocks at a low price. But I would like to say this to you. As an investor, you should always be prepared for a market crash. You need to understand that a crash could happen in the future. This will make you plan for the day by having a diversified portfolio, which is really important. It will be best if you also have cash saved up for you to go back into the market after a crash should occur. An emotional reaction to a market crash is not always the best. Investing is not difficult at all. When changes are going on in the stock market, you should wait and observe the flow of things before rushing to take action. Even if the stock market volatility makes you feel like trading your stock, it is best to prevent yourself from doing so. Don't do something to your portfolio that you will regret later. I really hope that you learned something. If this video was helpful to you in any way, please give me a thumbs up, share with others, and that we can benefit from that. As well, they can benefit from learning something new. If you've got anything to say, just please in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your opinion, how you cope if there's a market crash and what you're preparing to do if you're a newbie on the market. So don't panic, and please press the button like, share it with your friends if you like the video, and obviously subscribe to my channel if you're new, because we do discuss business motivation and investments. So I'd love to hear from you. Every comment, every like really support the channel. This is the only things I want from you, because this is how YouTube algorithm works. So you can help us to grow this channel and to grow the community. So till next time, stay green and motivated.